Yeah, greetings molweni, sanibonani, sanibingelela-ke. Kanti uhlelo silivula ngamazwi athi suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. Lawo mazwi-ke asho a great boxer of all time, Muhammad Ali. Silivula kanjalo kuhlelo olunye oluyingqayizivele, another epic episode. My name is Sabelo Umfokandabase. Kanti namhlanje e-studio sivakashele uNoma Khumalo, a winner of Idols 2016 season, right?
Yes.
Yes,
12,
yes. Okay, cool. Right. You look awesome, by the way.
Thank you. So do you.
Indoda inqonye inhle ngeenkomo zayo indoda.
Oh, okay.
Kunjalo nje.
Okay.
Kuyaphila kodwa.
Kuyaphileka njani?
Hayi no, siyaphila. Siyabonga ukusivakashela namhlanje.
Nathi siyabonga.
Yeah, as we are unpacking your story, tell us about uNoma Khumalo. Ubuya kuphi, ukhulele kuphi?
Noma Khumalo is a girl wakhulela eMaritzburg. Ngafunda khona futhi eMaritzburg.
Sezweni lezone eMaritzburg. Do you know that?
Hey boy, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Only now I'm hearing ngoba phela sengihamba ama interview ukuthi kuyimanje ngizwe ukuthi hey ziyabuya eMaritzburg.
Ziyabuya strong.
Ngakhulela khona ngawumuntu ke owangenelela i-teaching ngoba ngizofundela ukufundisa. Mengifike ekufundiseni ke ngahlangana nezingane ezazingithiwa ukukhuthaza encourage ukuthi akusukume uyositshengisa amaphupho ayafezeka. Nga-enter competition to Idols no 2016.
Yes.
And sahamba ke thina sayo auditiona negenge yami, it's called Acoustic Assassins back in our day.
Yeah.
Sahamba sonke.
Kwakuyiteam siyobangena.
Yeah. So me and my friends sahamba ke, we queued in the queues and we had that whole experience of Idols, and then up until I won the competition. After that, I just wanted ama creatives ukuthi bangangena emaphutheni engiseke ngangena kuwona. So I joined a federation called the Cultural and Creative Industries Federation of South Africa, which is an organization, or a federation rather, which is an umbrella body to unify and ensure that this industry speaks in one voice. Ngajoina ke Leo Federation, and currently I'm working on my own solo and projects on the side, things that I'm doing by myself as a creative. But today I'm here with you guys.
Into yokucula, hence you are saying ukuthi wakhuthazwa abantwana mawufika esikoleni, like into ebeyivele ikhona iphila kuwena, or why discover along the way?
Mina ukucula mhlambe ngaqala ngina 6 years ukukunaka ukuthi kanti italent lento. Ngaqala mhlambe ngina 6 years ngangicula nje into yamasontweni ama graduation. Semncane nje ngina 6 mfishane ngisiduka nje.
Isitufuza nje.
Isifuza esincane nje. Ngaqala ngaleso sikhathi. So ukucula into ekumini isegazini ibimina. Yes.
So like at that point in time, were you already composing your own songs, or awucula ingoma mhlambe vele ezazikhona ulingisa or something?
Ngangilingisa nje Destiny's Child, ngilingisa nje Beyonce, ngangikula phela ngaleso ekhathi so Tamia, Tony Braxton, sasikhula under ama 90s, so ma Born Free ayazi kodwa into yokuthi ngafunda through ama 80s music, mabo Babyface, so Tony Braxton, etc. Those were Kelly Price, all those were ama vocalists bengiwa idolize and babuka ngithi
hey, and usho labantu abacula ngempela yabona
ngelinye ilanga nje if ngaba good as them. Kungangijabulisa kanti uNkulunkulu wabana wangizwa.
So there's a kind of a vocal range that is there, especially to those international artists you're referring to. Kwesinye isikhathi kuba nzima ukufica leya range, that kind of clarity with the voice is concerned.
Yeah.
Kwabanzima kangakanani kwena ukumesha nabo nje pitch wise?
Hey, umuntu osangixaka namhlanje umunye usise kuthiwa Kelly Price. Ave icula into uyayazi into ayenzayo no Kim.
Yeah, Kim. Uyamyeka noma uMariah Carey nalo.
uMariah Carey ngazama ukumcula kwama-idols. Kusho ukuthi ngoba ucula every single day. Every single day. Alikho nalodi hour ongaculi kulona. Ngase ngithi izwi lami lizosha. Sengishile sengiyo performer on the actual live day. You know how frustrating that is. Uyi-vocalist uzizwa ukuthi nakho ngibhimba. But abantu abayiboni ukuthi hayi bengithi ngiyabhimba. uMariah Carey nabo Ariana Grande banale soprano le le phezulu siyazama ke thina ukufika kolabo soprano kodwa singakafiki but you know with time uyikhuthaza uyitrainer I'm sure umuntu angafika ngoba ngamcula uMariah Carey in her original key. I was able to sing that song, but
which song was that?
I can't live if living is without you.
Featuring Whitney Houston.
And Whitney Houston, yes. But Whitney, yiplana ayiculayo le edume kakhulu.
And I will always love you.
Always and love you. I will always love you. Hey, khona le ayiculayo le ubonayo ukuthi ngisho kuthiwa ngiyazama angike ngiyijimele kuqala ngingedwa yazithiwa umucula eshaweni obacula uqede kuqala eshaweni before uye emphakathini ngathi ngaqala ngiyicule eceleni ngithi hayi mhlawumbe ngizokhona yini, but I love being challenged by umculo.
La keys aphezulu and stuff.
I love it because iyakufundisa nawe ikukhulise futhi nawe as umuntu. Nje yazi bengakwazi ukuyicula lento izona namhlanje sengiyakwazi. Music is a beautiful field. Beautiful field.
Here you are uphuma endaweni mhlawumbe engathi abantu ababesurroundile abanayo leyo nto yokuthi bangacontrola ku music bakufake kuma keys, uzithola kuma idols la where you are surrounded by instrumentalists, musicians, directors, yonke lento le iseduze. Kwabanzima kangakanani ukucopa esimene esikanjalo?
You know, you're talking to someone who has a little bit of a musical background. So mnangakhulela kumculo. Umculo wethu wahamba wasifikisa to Buckingham Palace. All the way
that was United. Before Idols.
Before Idols. I was already internationally planning to go international myself. Ngangihamba nechoir, and we came second in the world against university choirs, and I was at a high school level at that time. So I was leading a solo that, you know, even the late Queen of England had heard me sing. So it's heartwarming mangabe uthi une experience yokuthi I've sung in front of international crowds, different types of crowds. I've broadened my portfolio to speak for itself, and then Idols just shot it up there. You know, the experience you get from that TV show, learning how to work with a new band, learning how to work with TV and cameras and knowing which camera to look at, you know, all those things. They come in handy. You know, some musicians don't know how to use them in ears. If you get on stage, une pack, indefinitely namatelo la ukubhodisi noma bingubo noma kuyemi. You know, you learn to use different things and to work with different people. It was very challenging.
And in those corner, they offer limited time. In 2 days, blah, blah.
Literally, you have 2 days to learn music.
Jeez.
2 days. Uyavuka nje wenza lokho kwenzayo fanele uyazi ingoma, because senzobe ni practice that same way up until the live show. So it's something very beautiful. It was a beautiful journey because ngafunda kaningi. Fanele futhi ufundu on your toes. Music injalo, you're on your toes, you're moving, you're working. Kumnandi kodwa ke, but umuntu wabhukuda kuthiwa hey Siyafaka manje olwandle awubona ukuthi yakwazi ukubhukuda la. Yeah, kunjalo. You learn to swim.
Kwakune support wawuyithola. People that were behind you, especially people from KZN in particular. Yini ongafisa ukisho kubona?
Iyo, ngifuna nje extend ukubonga nokubekezela, you know. Singabantu nathi and sidlule isimene engafani. But nje ukubekezelela kwami and you know, trying to persevere from the challenges, legal challenges I've been facing within the industry itself, which is the sole reason of my silence as well. And, you know, my people that have been voting for me, abantu abalandela uNoma Khumalo nomculo wakhe, ngibonge nje patience kakhulu, the support, it really means the world to me. I'm back now. I'm coming out with Ukamduze. This time I don't have chains holding me back. Previously I had chains holding me back, and that's uzongibizela ngelinye ilanga ukuthi hey dive into that one. But honestly speaking, I think it's time. Perhaps that time it wasn't the time for me to speak about it. But I'm ready now to talk about such things.
You went on and released the album, ne? Uma ungalibuka lela album, i-reception yalo yaba ngakanani kubantu?
Look, I just came from a competition, you know. So the reception was good at the time. My only concern was that, you know, kwakunale scandal njengasiqondi. Isitolo thizeni siyavala. I think a franchise, it's called CNA. And you know, when music shops are closing, because again, we're moving into the fourth industrial revolution. So everything is becoming digitalized. Everything must be on social media. Nobody's buying hard copies anymore. And we're going through that phase, and it just so happens good because my brand at the time, I just won a huge competition supported by millions of people across, you know, the whole globe. And you're looking at all those people now looking at a shop that's closing, selling CDs and DVDs at discounted prices just because they want to do a clearance sale by Asvali store. Never did that shop come out and say, actually, Besval as a branch, our business we're liquidating, siyavala. So, awusayi enjoy manje akunaki
ukuthi
kunamanye ama-CD abekiwe lana amaningi ukuthi hayibo namanye ama-CD adayiswayo. Yes, our CDs are selling for regular prices.
I think mhlambe bakuthagesa ngoba phela maybe some of ama-artists ayehleli nawo ama-CD akho kwakwabantu abangenayo ababengekho kwi-level yakho in terms of popularity at the time.
Sure, I hear you, and I think perhaps it was that, but mina mangabe sesenza umlandelo with said record label at the time, they found out that the actual shop itself was shutting down. They're liquidating, they're moving out, and they have to sell whatever they have in the shop for cheap prices. But I was so confused. But why am I CD? To agiyona neyakho CD yodwa. Kona ma DVD, ama live recording, like other artists that are huge in this industry, huge gospel artists. I'm from nokusha magama la because kuyobe sekuthiwa hey, kwasho but I'm a DVD, and you know we spend so much money creating music and releasing it. People don't understand that when you sell it at a discounted price, I lose as an artist. I lose out. I lose out financially. Royalties I miss out. You know, all of those things. Yes. But, you know, God is good. It didn't deteriorate. I think I was just really angry at said label at the time. But, we managed to work things out there, and they gave me the clarity that I needed, which was the truth. The truth of the matter is, it's not that my CD was doing so bad that it wasn't getting, it's just that that shop was clearing out. And I said, oh, okay. Because very me dizobhala ifuna ukuyibhala.
The experience usebenza studio preparing that album, how was it?
I didn't have a grand experience, if I'm being honest.
Yes.
ngangiqeda nje ukudilika stage ngitshelwa nje ukuthi hey and the winner is Noma. Kwadlula 3 to 4 days since studio kumele ngirecord album. And then within a week after that, I think it was also 3 days being in studio, I recorded a debut album. Yeah. I didn't have a say in what songs I could choose, or I didn't have a say in the creativity process of making music. When I want to be there from the time we khanda lengoma ukuthi sizofaka lama keyboard keys, sizofaka bass guitar kanje. I love to be part of that process because energy is all about energy. I mean, music is all about energy. So now imagine nazi ingoma ngene studio record.
Futhi wena baqhamuka nama instruments nje.
Baqhamuka nje sikhona ibeat hlala phansi ke Ntombo awuphumi la senze lokhu nalokhu uyozuqedeke mase siyahamba. Now, do you understand how painful that is as a creative?
Awukwazi ukuhlala ne-guitarist ni-compose leyo nto ni-connect nenza ama-bridges the way you want.
No, I wasn't afforded that opportunity at the time. And I wish they had allowed me creativity, you know, to do my own thing. Yeah. So that the country can see I want to sing love songs. Instead of them trying to push me in a direction that I as a creative do not want to do. You can't force icigo ukuthi uzosusa umuntu kumaskandi umyekise umuntu umaskandi ukuthi akacule i-R&B. The audience yami ingithandela ngoba ngicula ama love songs. So I know my target market, I know my audience, and I know the people that have been voting for me. They know me, and what you're forcing me to do is not who I am.
Something else.
But now I'm forced to do it because ngasayini iphepha.
Oh my God.
Hallelujah.
But asikhulume nge-projects nayisi yonkana naku suyayilalela seyiqediwe, it has been mastered, sekufanele manje ihambe iyogxotshwa iye ey'tolo. Were you happy with the outcome?
As a creative, the only time I've been extremely happy with the work I've done, it's when I'm performing live on stage. Libaliwe. Kamduze. That's the music and the direction I've been doing for years. But when it comes to said label, I wasn't afforded an opportunity to have a listening session of my own album that I'm yet to release to the public. It was a difficult thing, and I think because it was so difficult, I struggled to navigate myself as icigo ukuthi ngizoyimisa kanjani into yami. Angifuni disappoint abantu abangivotele, angifuni ukudisappointa mina nomphefumulo wami, sengiyalimala.
Jeez. Noma were you signed ngaleso sikhathi?
I was. When you get to a certain level of the competition, they introduce you to the recording labels, they introduce you to management, they introduce you to so many other things. And it's difficult for you to sign something and you're not yet given completely opportunity yokuthi uyifundisise lento uyi-understand okanye uthi ngicela ukuthola i-second opinion ngithumele ummeli engingamthola nami uthi angibhekela ngiqalazele lento not realizing what we're signing ourselves to.
Uyamanda ukuthi kamla le recording label yasenza
as it is now, it is a said record label because you know, at the end of the day, it is my journey. It's not that I'm going to deny that part of my life did not happen. It did happen. It actually shaped the career woman I am now. And, you know, having gone through that journey, I've healed from it. I'm not pointing fingers. I'm also taking accountability. I was not willing to be bullied into doing something that will disappoint my audience, but also will disappoint me, myself. Angithi emhlabeni uyazi ukuthi as an individual fanele ujabule wena kuqala ukuze ube happy nomsebenzi oproducer and it killed me that I could not be happy with the work I've produced because I was told.
Yeah. Indaba enzima. You've shared a stage with the late Sibongile Khumalo.
Yes,
wow. The great one.
The great one. Yes.
Experience ayinjani?
It was beautiful. Sacula ingoma ethi yakhala inkomo. Yeah. It was a beautiful experience because she introduced me to a new genre.
Yeah.
Jazz. And her affording me an opportunity to ngicula ingoma one-on-one naye. It was just a beautiful experience. I know the audience loved it. And till this day, her words of wisdom, you know, have carried me.
Yes.
Even in the way that I handle media today, it's still from her words of wisdom.
Jeez.
Even in the ways that I've commanded myself on stage, it's still from her teachings. And although she's late, you know, her voice becomes present when I'm going through certain things within this industry. And as a woman in this industry, it's very difficult.
It's very, very difficult.
But we navigate. We swim.
No, when you speak of music, sikhuluma ngento eshintsha now and then, new elements are being introduced, you know, style naso somculo kumele sishintshe, abantu are coping with the certain style, they are denying a certain style. Sekunamapiano, sekunani.
Yeah.
Other music is dying and stuff.
Yeah.
Mfowethu kwazi kanzima.
But I think kubalekile ukuthi ube yicike elikwazi ukuadapta without losing who you are.
Yeah.
With creativity yakho. Senze iphutha lokuthi le ngoma yayi hit.
Yes.
Mhlamba angitshontsha ama chords ngala ngiwashintshe kancane abenziwa leyo nto namhlanje uzwe ingoma eyodwa uzwe ingoma eyodwa mhlamba wayiza 10 times.
Yes.
But because we're still trying to relive a hit from back when, you're still assuming ukuthi today it's still going to be a hit because back then it was a hit. And I think as creatives we're sab ukuthatha ama risk. Asiyeke ukusaba mfethu, let's explore and let's be diverse. Asikhule nathi and our skill set and challenge ourselves.
Siphila nabantu ababhizi ama 2K athe phapham technology seyiphambili kwayo, you know. So babhizi labantu bahleze bese emafonini every time, banento eziningi indlela ye-entertainment, indlela abayi-entertainer ngayo basically, for which it bring me to this point. Music these days sometimes uhlala isikhathi esincane uthola ukuthi ukhipha ingoma and it just hit for 1 month, sebe demanda ukuthi release phela enye ingoma. Ngikhopha kanjani mathanda ingoma hlala isikhathi esincane.
Mina for years I think my audience has been wanting me to get back at it. And I've been begging even my spirit spiritually and emotionally and mentally to go back to that space.
Yes.
And uqinisile mangabe uthi youth nje manje ingoma izoba mnandi manje ngakusasa something new comes. It's the attention span of our media today. Anything that's popping at any time kuzofocuswa kuleyo nto. Next week sekukhulunywa ngenye, next week namhlanje uCamduze is hot on the Camduze is going to be hot for a very long time. But sesiyashintsha ukuthi mangabe usubuka media the way it's moving. Ayikho into ezothi okay, let's go back to that song, you know. We're losing our appreciation for music, but at the same time, let's learn to be consistent.
Which is not very easy because phela ekugcineni kwelanga ni director ilabantu abalandela music queen, you know. If like they no more feeling the song that you've released last week, then they kind of pushing you to release another song, which is very difficult.
It's difficult, but it also shows you ukuthi abantu bakuthele kangakanani nokuthi bakuthanda kangakanani umsebenzi wakho. Because can you imagine if I stayed with one sound angeke ngize ngiyizame ipiano 3 step. Mhlawumbe ngizoyizama, who knows.
Ucula umculo which it just needs a musical ear itself. Akuvele kube nomba oculayo. You know, there's a lot of things to consider. Ukuthi ayona right key, zonke lezo zinto. Whereas the reality of now, anything just get popular. Like, uzinto izwa, hey, this is off key. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Uzizwa kanjani nje ngalokho ukuthi you put, I mean, your 110% energy, then suddenly vumbu, something that is off key and it just makes it.
It's distracting because imagine ufike endaweni ifana nokuthi usesontweni and khona lo sisi lo yedwa okuyikhwaya okhuthele Nkosi yami ofikayo kwi-choir line la sima khona mesenza i-praise and worship ngenza isibonelo Nkosi yami
yes
fika yena yedwa acula ukhiye ole kodwa i-rehearsal sareheza kanje umuntu olalelayo kwi-audience uyaconnecta spiritually kwi-worship noma uzothi ukuzwa
kuba nalo
akukho lula it requires you to constantly coach yourself, constantly train your voice and your ears. And that requires you to be around musicians. And it requires you to, hey, let me sharpen my vocal skills.
Yes.
Even if ucula nje, hey, kunzima ukuthi ngiqala ingoma ngizwe ukuthi hey band ngathi dlalenye. Wathi both bazothini. But it's nice that you have energy in a band that they can even cushion you and rescue.
Yes.
In that moment. Unfortunately, angakayiboni leyo moment kodwa amaphutha abuya enzeke Nkosi yami. It's not every day ukuthi 100% umugula nje kulula ukuthi ucule off pitch.
Yeah. Tell us about i-fan base yakho. Abantu abakulandelayo. Bakusupporta kangakanani for you just to keep going?
Over the years, you know, the people, I don't like calling my people fans. Thandwa zami, they're my lovelies. But they've been so consistent. They support. If I post something they like, they share. You know, because of my silence over the years and because I've been dealing with a lot of things with said label and, you know, trying to pick myself up as a person.
Yes.
Also building my network and, you know, joining Usifsa as well. I won't lie. I've not been a consistent person on social media.
Yes.
Primarily because bullying on social media is a thing. It's a big thing. And you know, tolugutu hilentoni nzima gabi. But because now in media nayo and people feel entitled to, you know, you are entitled to freedom of speech, but you're not entitled to disrespect and defame someone.
Yes.
You know, and those are things people don't know. Kune boundary phela ngokukhuluma ngento nangumuntu. Awuhambe ukhulume uthemba ukuthi hayi Poppy X izokuvikela noma yini. But people say things and it leaves you feeling like perhaps I should just keep quiet for now. Your post ngithandile because kubaphyungu. You know?
Mhlambe noma sesivala nje ngoba kuzongena uPyramid.
Yeah, Pyramid.
Yes. Awusixoxele ngale ngoma iComeDo's le oyenze noPyramid ngiyilalelile. Hey.
What do you think, Mnganam?
No, the song is dope.
Oh,
it's dope and the style is very unique. I think it will make it. Mhlawumbe awusitshele ngayo on your side noPyramid uzongena chaze but nje from your side.
Okay, I'll explain the song.
Mhlawumbe awucule kancane.
Okay, verse means Ashona malanga when a baby yala ngami. Nubuwazi ukuthi uliphakadela. And then I go, waphula izithembiso, wahyukumeza umoya wami, ngoba manje sengihambile, usuphizo yancenga ayisuka man. Now you're talking from a perspective of a woman who is tired of her man lying and lying and lying and making these promises.
Manga business.
And hey, usekhathele wathutha izinto zakhe wahamba ngoba akayifuni ithembise ingekho. Kodwa kubaba ngoba ecula kwingoma uyasho ukuthi hayi baby come duze. In other words, it's a man that's recognizing he did wrong. And he wants to make things work. So come duze baby. So I'm sure at the end of the song bazoza ukuthi ngiyamxolela noma ngimxoleli. Kodwa it's been an absolute pleasure doing this collaborative, album with the Pyramid. And he's been pushing me to get back at it. I really appreciated the time he came. He doesn't know how much it meant to me to hear those words that he said to me. And, to have somebody just believe in you. And I appreciated that so much. And now we're making magic in studio. Yeah, guys, we're excited.
Reconnect manje ne-audience yakho.
I'm so ready. I'm so ready. They must watch the space. We're going to be doing a lot of live shows and hosting a show pretty soon, hopefully next year, where I'll be sharing my true story. And our true story as well.
Okay, the very last question. Where to from here for Nomakhumalo?
Nomakhumalo is releasing music. We're going to be more consistent this year. Still and support Notando. And our music is out on digital platforms. We're dropping a video next week.
Wow. Okay.
It is beautiful. We'll share it with you guys. And we're excited.
Wow. That's lovely.
Come duze.
Ganzakwethu bekunomake lo uMakhumalo. Siyabuya masibuya ezitolo sihlala naye futhi uPyramid who's featured on a song Come Duze. Siyabuya ke Ganzakwethu.
From the dry regions of the Middle East to the thriving wetlands of Durban Harbor, we introduce an innovation that redefines the energy landscape. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the Dryport City Energy Park, a groundbreaking development, a beacon of hope, and a catalyst for sustainable transformation. Anchored by a strong and visionary consortium, the Dryport City Energy Park is designed to meet international standards, integrating advanced technology, strategic infrastructure, and global best practices. Our mission is clear: to fuel the future, drive economic growth, and empower lasting change across regions and generations. Dryport City Energy Park, fueling the future, driving growth, empowering change.
Siphinde sinamukeleke Ganzakwethu ohlelweni lwenu oluyingqayizivele. This is Durban Network. Njalo ngimthembisile ukuthi masibuya entengisweni sobe sihleli phansi noPyramid, who's in a collab with Nomakhumalo on a song Come Duze.
Yeah.
Futhi kunjani?
Yaphila futhi kunjani?
Akufani nayizo.
Hayi, sibonga mfethu. Yeah.
Awusinike nje into encane ukuthi ubani uPyramid? Umuntu ongamazi lapha ekhaya.
Okay, uPyramid usizwe.
Yes.
Ozalwa indoda yakaBloss. Umama wakamthetho.
Oh yeah. Oh Bloss obani konje?
Ondele oshinga. Omadibo ochobile yes.
Oh yeah.
So uqhamuka ke la ngizalwa khona ngizalwa ePaul Petersburg eDumbe.
Oh eDumbe.
Yeah, ekhaya kulapha nje eMangosuthu. Yeah, but ke ngokukhula ngikhulele la eMivile eKhetho Crest le ndawo kuthiwa iseKhetho Crest. Yeah, ngikhulele khona nje. Yeah.
Hey ukhulele endaweni man hlangana lapha eMivile kodwa ukhulile waba indoda.
Yeah, I think empilweni uphila ngeenqumo zakho uyabo wena okhethayo wena okhethayo indlela yakho uthi ufuna ukuphila impilo nesiphithiphithi or ufuna ukuphila impilo yabo enokuthula nokuzama. So I chose lenzima mina because le nesiphithiphithi ilula. So when I decided ukukhetha lenzima impilo, you understand, because impilo yokuzama impilo yokuzama ukwenza impilo yakhe ibe ngcono is very difficult these days. So I choose that one and I'm glad ukuthi ngakhetha yona.
Yeah. Tell us about your music background. Dala waqala ukucula
kudala ngaqala ukucula. Yazi lento yokucula ngayiqala emakhaya nje esikoleni.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Indala le wena.
Yeah, indala. I did nje lento yamakhaya esikoleni but I wasn't very interested.
Oh yeah.
Because sase simphoqa umfana ucula sithi wena loku yokabalasa. Umfana. But nami ngiya because esikoleni bekungancengwa before. Ubuvela ukuthatha
master.
Uhamba uyokunekhwaya isikhathi sokucula so uzodla induku nje wena ungatholakalanga lapha. And impila lento ukuthi le nonsense leba ngenzisa yona ngomfana ngicule. Yeah, so uma ngisuke emakhaya ngiza la eThekwini ngizohlala nomala eKhetho Crest. Then I met Usis Joy who's my friend. Okuyena futhi osiphethe ama artist creative art uyena nje uyi-president of SIFSA.
Yes.
So uyena umuntu wathi ayi wena yazi uyakwazi ukucula wena. Ake sihambe khona ngifuna ukuhambisa khona.
Yes.
And then wangihlanganisa nekhwezi le-Africa.
Yeah, ikhwezi le-Africa.
Elalidwa Howard Msomi. Still today I think he still have ikhwezi le-Africa. Yeah, and wayenza uBhambatha kaMancinza ngaleso sikhathi. Isitori kwakuthiwa uBhambatha kaMancinza.
Yes.
So uma ngiya lapha ngithi yazi lo sisi waste isikhathi nje lento lena but ngathi mangifika nga-enjoya ukubona ufika uconnect imoya nabantu abakhona ukuthi angathi nansi into yami kahle kahle uyabona ngoba ibhola la ngiqaka ukuthi kumele uloku ugijima ujaka indilingi uyale phela ujaka indilingi yale ngathi ayibhola ngeke so ngase ngiwela ngala kwi-art then I became doing acting. I did acting, music and dance. Uyabona then kuleyo show I ended playing the main character as uBhambatha kaMancinza.
Wow.
I did uBhambatha.
Ungene ngo-backdoor
ngizoba yiqanyile cause ngiyiqanyile iphoyisa.
Oh yeah.
Yabo then ngagraduate to induna yenkosi. Unhlonhlo so I played Unhlonhlo and then after that I think babona ukuthi hayi man this guy
ikhonte
khona akabe uBhambatha lo and I did very well futhi kuBhambatha mfethu I don't wanna lie. And then ngenza ama auditions committed artist ubaba uMbongeni.
Yes.
Kwakwenziwa ama-auditions eSarafina.
Yes, Sarafina.
Ayisiye lapha mfowethu sishaya into yethu kuthiwa hayi sonbiza uyabo okay ngithole futhi call back ngiye khona but mangifika kwathiwa hayi wona sikufunelike le show ngeke uzubuke eSarafina khona esizoyenza ePretoria ngathi yabona actually lathi la kuyaxoshwa ayikho le uyabo ngathi ngihlaleni ngelanga ngena ucingo wena usizwe ngithi yes kuthiwa no esiyakudinga kumele uye ePretoria so State Theatre kune show ebizwa ngeSing Africa Dance. Then I went to Pretoria. From then mfethu I think ijourney yami nje yasiqala ikhula. I did gospel. I had ama albums egospel. Ngasayina under icompany okuthiwa Sonke Records. Ngenze album khona. I moved to Joburg. Ngasayina icompany abayibiza ngeAMS Records. Ngenza another album khona. Ngayibula ngenze album. And then what else? Kuningi. I met Obaba Shaluza Max. I met Obaba Jonas Gwangwa. I met so many creatives nje mfethu. Uyabo ngasebenza ngabona ukuthi oh no, shoot lento into ekhona. Then kwaseqala inkinga zama contract ke.
Yes.
Ukuthi indaba zama CD sales. Yabo ngoba uthola ukuthi khona ama CD adayiswa ngo backdoor lokutshela ukuthi hayi no akakalungi. Akahamba kahle kanti yabo you selling ama album. And then I decided ukuthi le drama it's not mine. Ngawuye kumculo. From 2008 to 2017.
Jeez.
2017. Yes. 27 ngangenza ezinye izinto ngibusy ke. Yabo nimshika yami yokuphila ukuthi okay uthi ngihlanganise ngala register company security then ngaqala ukusebenza even namanje sakhona. So 2017 ngathenga equipment studio.
Yes.
Uzona kuneyintwana nje eyishaya hip hop aroundini ngathi let me out ngithenga studio yabo ngathenga studio for le intwana zathi intwana yazi awucule nawe Because let uyayithanda. Sakushayela ama-beat intwana then ngacula ngikhipha ingoma yethu sisithandwa sami. Yenze nentombazane yakho ne-round of 2 zami. Leyo ngoma yayimnandi because ukhuzi beluyidlala in but I wasn't interested with indaba nokucula. So ngayiyeka kanjalo lento ngangayinaka, didn't do even music video ngayiyeka nje. Ngayiqhwena impilo yami, you understand?
Yes.
And then kuningi man. But let me fast forward. Manje I came back ku music. Bengekho interested, angifuna uqamba manga. Into ebengiyibukela kude nje ukuthi ayicula ingane. Ngiyibuka ukuthi mdala manje ukuthi ngawuphaqabulwa ingane stage. Yebo, ziyashisa ingane manje.
Ziyashisa.
Uyabo, but lento yokuthanda umculo eloku ikhona. Then we started moving Sis Joy. Saphinde sahlangana futhi sisebenzisana because sifuna i-art center ngasekhaya. Sifuna ne-recording studio. So une show ekuthiwa Getting Tested.
Yes.
Uyabo? Ekhuluma ngempilo yabantu besifazane, ukuhlukumezeka kwabo. And then ngathi mina yazini mnganami, asisebenze le show. Uyabo? Sibone ukuthi sihamba kanjani. Mina ngizofaka amasenti, wena uyazi ukuthi udinga ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ibirana nje Playhouse, it was very successful.
Wow.
You understand? Then I met with uNoma through uJoy.
Oh yeah.
Uyabo?
Network.
uNoma ngangimbona kuma idols nje ingane zami zimthanda endlini. Ngithi mina cha uyacula ke lo sisi. Kodwa ngigxeka ukuthi lo sengaze yeke ukuba uthisha athi uyocula. Uyazi kahle umculeni ukuthi kunzima kanjani. Hey mina ngangi-understand le ndaba yakhe ukuthi hey uyakuyeka phela kuba uthisha. You understand? And then she won. Ngathi hey winile. Ngibona nje ngiyajatshula. uNoma won. Anginandaba nane TV mina. Uyabo? And then mase ngihlangana naye eSIFSA ema-ofisini through Joy. Athi mina nangu lo sisi lo. uMakhumalo. Kwenze njani ngawo? Wachaza ke naye ke achaze ngeke ngakukhuluma ngomusic but ngathi you know what? Let's do a song.
Yes.
Asiyabuya manje senza music mina nawe. Nami vele anginalo ithemba ngalento but nawe ngiyakubona ukhona. Let's go to the studio. Ngangithi uzothi no wavela wathi nini ngathi namanje. Let's go to the studio manje and do something. We understand. And very amazingly, savele sahlanganisa a hit. Avela ama voices are blend. You know imoya because mina ngumuntu emoya kakhulu. Uyabo into ngifaka spirituality kuyona. Sahlangana sa blender and then when he made that song, ngathi I'll bet all my money on this song. Because I know this is a hit. And ngendlela ekhula ngayo, I'm so grateful to uNkulunkulu. Ungilindise sonke lesi sikhathi.
Yes.
We understand. Ngiyakholela lento bathi when the time is right. As much as we don't have time, but sikhona isikhathi esifikayo. Kusona lesikhathi esingekho. Ngeke uunderstand lento ngisho. But safika isikhathi, then we went back to the studio. This amazing woman nayo nenkinga adlule kuzona. I'm asking myself ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayeletha such beautiful people, such beautiful souls babe nenkinga. We understand. Kodwa ke ngoba siyaphila izodlula. Wena sikhohle ukuthi sidlule mina nawe. Asiqale manje ijourney yethu. We understand. That's when it began ukuba khona uPyramid and Noma kwaphuma uKhamduze. Ingoma eyihit cishe kunazo zonke ikhona. We understand.
And it's very nice. The song is very nice.
We did a song, we did a video. The video is coming out next week. We're just coming from Ikakas now to doing Unplugged. Kuningi mfethu kuyenzeka uNkulunkulu is been blessing us. And kunosisi osiza kakhulu ekuthi uSindi wakacele. She's a PR. She's trying by all means yenzeke lento. Yabona namhlanje we have got like 4 interviews. You understand? In one day. Buna basizela kunina siyagijima sifika late. Siyaphuma la khona la siyakhona futhi. Ntambama sine interview. So uyabona uNkulunkulu uneyidalo abanendlela abasebenza ngayo. You understand? I'm so grateful ukuhlangana noMakhumalo. And kuningi esazokwenza and abantu lento yokuthi sonke sifudubele kumculo nowodwa. Bakhona laba bathi sayifuna lento kaRobbie Malinga, sayifuna lento kaSiskele, sayifuna lento kaBani. Not sonke sibalekele entweni eyodwa uma ngashaya 3 step ipiano. As much as we appreciate ama artists awenza ipiano, but we need another genres eSouth Africa. Asingawubuyi kuma skandi ufe ngoba nakusithi sijaha ipiano. Asingayiyeki ikwaito. I miss ikwaito. I'm not talking about le kwaito umdlalo. I miss oButzola. I miss oButimdu. The kwaito mfethu wawuza ukuthi you know what la kuyadwa. Understand? Not sonke sibalekele entweni one. Yiloko mina ngithi as much as we will do maybe 3 steps piano, But I want us to stick kulente ekhumbuza abantu ukuthi hey uthando lisakhona. We understand because we're singing love songs. Uyabo abantu baphelelo mfethu abantu baphelelo uthando these days. Abantu baphilela ukuhlukumeza abanye abantu. Where is love? Where is God? We understand because but God is love. Okusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu left this place long time ago because thina what we do ngofana umona ungafuna ubunye umuntu ephumelela usikhohliwe ukuthi ekuse kwalete kuthi uthando. And mnganami as much as uthando lubhlungu but kumnandi uthandweni. I'm sure now uyayazi le experience when someone ezokufonela useyinkinga nathi you know what I know sinenkinga but you know I love you. I love you for who you are. I love you ukuthi uyazama. You understand? Ngoba abanye abantu ba expect ukuthi sibe nakho. Mina ngisho ngithi abantu abazi ukuthi indoda ithwele kanzima kanjani. Kunzima kuba indoda. Because ba expect ukuthi wena unamandla unakho. While wena udinga yena lo muntu ukuthi kusupport ukuze ube namandla because if unomuntu ngemumva othi you know what baby kunzima but we will make it happen. You understand? Hayi befika sebezoclaima. Ukuthi okwendoda yami awazi lawo million ngwenze kanjani ubungekho ubungangisupport wena selibuhluleke ngishoda ngopetrol uke studio ngithi 100 rand ukuthi ngifike studio you didn't but when the millions comes you expect ukuthi I must give you all the things that I have. You understand? Abantu abafunda ukuthandana all we need is to love each other. Ngaba zikho zonke leziphelo zokuthi ubani uyini and South Africa let's just love each other and remember ukuthi uNkulunkulu khona. That's it. Uyabo
with all the experiences you got from a theater uhlangana nabantu abahlukahlukene would you then say khona la zikushape khona to a person that you are today?
Kakhulu but kakhulu I've learned to respect ukuthi respect goes a long way. Uyabo don't ever think ukuthi lento obuzuyifuna ngoba usuyitholile you are better than lo muntu lo ofikele kuyena. Don't forget where you come from because lo muntu ofikele kuyena wakuthatha wakubeka lapha uyohleze better kuwena. You understand ngoba without yena ngaba ukho la ukhona. You understand? So I've learned to respect, I've learned to love abantu. You understand? I've learned ukuthi noma ngabe inkinga ingakanani but there's still happiness. We understand? Abantu bokufundisa into eningi akhona abantu abakind. We understand? Khona abantu abaziyo ukuthi umuntu kumele laledlile even if mfethu unganalutho enakho athi bra rather hamba wena uyodla because mina ngidlile ekseni wena ngiyaza ukwazi ukudla. We understand? Ekunika imali yegunya lokho kusutha sekubaliwe ezulwini ukuthi you did something good for umunye umuntu. You understand? Ilento isabuya khona ukuthi let's love each other. Let's remember ukuthi who we are especially as black people. Ave uNkulunkulu wasidala wasibusisa sinenhlonipho sinemizwa sinothando sinesineke but konke lokho sikulahlele ngoba silandelana ama cultures ezinye izizwe anganandaba yabona nje khona manje khona mfethu izizwe enganandaba nomakhelwane. Khona izizwe enganandaba nomzala. Khona izizwe othi ugogo mekhula zimthathe zomlaxaze home. Thina siyazi le nto as black people. Sazi thina ukuthi ugogo usesemkhutule ngesikhumba. We understand? Ekhona ephila kanye nathi not isomlaxaza la esingazi khona ukuthi uzobedlana ngasikhathi sini. So thina sesi-adapte lezo zinto kubantu abarong ngiblame TV. I wish ngaba ngazi ngiqale ngibuka iTV ngoba iyeza nezinto eziningi the soap is the right yabo everything promotes the devil. We understand? It doesn't promote uNkulunkulu. Yonke into ebuka ku TV mnganami ayisifundisi into right. Ingane encane ina 3 years isiphatha isibhamu ngoba ibuka iTV yazi ukuthi mele ngizokudubula. We understand? Ibuka phi from the TV because the system is created ukuthi thina asifunde lento yokucindezeleka. They don't teach us about wealth and everything, how you become rich, how wazi ukuprocessa kanjani igolide nini. Thina basifundisa ukuthi savana itaste kanjani. We understand? Ngeke besifundise lezo zinto. So we as black people we need to sit down and say who we are. How can we go back to our roots and be labantu uNkulunkulu asidala ukuthi sibe yibona. We understand? But okwamanje mfethu we're going to kill each other and it's going there. Uma ubuka uma uhlakaniphile ukwazi ukubuka izinto ngamoya ubona there's a war coming and they making sure ukuthi yenzeke. We understand? Sishana sodwa sabantu abamnyama ukuthi ngoba wena ukhuluma ilanguage nami ngikhuluma ilanguage mele sijahane. We understand? That's still madness. Uyabona? There are things that we need to come down and say, you know what? No. This is not us. We understand?
Pyramid sesivala nje mfana kithi nobabili you both feeling the same thing ukuthi ingoma it's doing well. And in the next few months it's going to be a hit song. I mean it's going to be everywhere and stuff. nizilungiselele in to deal with what is coming, fame, gigs, zonke lezi zinto, because kuba kuningi ingoma mangabe seyinkulu.
One thing I can tell you, my brother, I don't need to prepare myself for anything. I just have to be me.
Yes.
And let God lead the way. Once washinja, when you lose everything. You lose yourself. And losing yourself is a big loss because you lose your soul. You understand? There are so many things, so many systems, so many societies. If you join us, you understand? That's when you lose yourself. Because when but is something that's going to destroy who you are.
So condition.
Yes. So if when uzitshela ukuthi mina ngizohlala la and mina nendlamsa kumkhonza uNkulunkulu namadlozi akithi awunayo problem yokuthi what's coming and don't change who you are kubantu awusakwazi ukuhamba emall. Yes kuyenzeka uthola ukuthi uye mall abantu sebeya but let them know ukuthi guys this is cut Sam nomndeni wami. Ngiyacela ukuthi give me space. With the
besacela kodwa ngoba
I know kusuke kunzima kodwa mfethu once abantu abajwayeza ukuthi ubani they will always respect the way that you are. You understand? As me no pyramid I don't mind walking on the mall. I've got friends even now because I've got a big content to TikTok ebizwa ngemalipo. Uyabo I go everywhere. I meet with the people and I'm not gonna change that. We understand? Angiyena some sort of uNkulunkulu or God umuntu manje ukuthi angisabafuna abantu but if uza kahle kimi ngizoza kahle if uza kabi kimi I'll give you what you give me. Uyabo mina nginalento ethi isongeso if uza kabi kimi I'll come to you. Yes, but if uza kahle kimi sizozwana and if it's understandana ngokutshela ukuthi lokho angikuthanda ukuhlonipha lokho then you'll be my friend but if you don't respect you'll see who I am. Maybe I was made in hell. Just there ukuthi nje umoya wami ngihlezi ngumuldile ngawubeka phansi for everyone. You understand? So lento yokuthi abantu basabi fame mfethu kumina
amanzi amancane
mina abantu bamzophila nabo and they will understand me. Begijima nami ngigijima ngiyakubona. Uyabona? Bebona ukuthi hayi chempe nganankinga. Ngena ukuthi ngeke babe nankinga nawo. But umuzenza ukuthi manje no. There is time for taking pictures. There's time for not taking pictures. When I'm busy, guys. I can't take pictures. But if free nje pyramid ngihambela ngiyaqhamuka pyramid ngizakudina ngejubane nami sizojabula sonke ukuthi guys I love you please keep on supporting me. Nani enye into we have to give back.
Yes.
Mfethu kunama families ahlwempu ngendlela ebhlungu.
Yes.
Adinga thina if uNkulunkulu esesiphile let's give back. We understand. So I don't think mina goba inkinga ukuhlangana nabantu ngoba that's what I'm going to do. Abantu ngizohlezi nginabo just to give back to teach lapha yabona ukuthi okay bafowethu if you wanna be in the industry you need to know this and this and the things that I've learned I need to share it nabanye abantu. You understand? Ukuhlala ekhaya ngithi famous for who? No, that won't help me. But laba abantu abadinga upyramid to help them bazosiza ubani mangilonga ngithi famous. No. Mele emakhaya ngene emakhaya ngibatshela hayi ngiza lapha sokhuluma asihlangane ehole lithile because kunezinto okay nifuna istudio I'm coming. We understand nifuna kusenzana le studio nibambisene yini ngoba into eyinkinga futhi abantu abasizeka bafuna ukubambisana. You know going to endaweni esemakhaya uyafika kune organization okuyona yongamele yonke lento uyakwazi ukusiza even uhulumeni uyakwazi ukusiza but thina sifuna uba inhlakanhlaka angeke ngihlangane nosibani bami mina ngoba ucula igospel mina ngicula ikwaito and then we understand
the battle of egos.
Uyabo lo muntu we gospel will teach you something. You know ayikho into ebalulekile nje ukuba iartist elikwazi ukwenza lonke hlobo lomculo ngoba uzokuthola a big movie bethi we need a song eUmaskandi and when you chat mina I'm gospel artist angicula uMaskandi and then you lose millions. Yabo mina ngisho ngathi ngesicatha miyeni baba angisazi impela kodwa ngabacela bafowethu ngifundiseni bafowethu. You know so kuzokwazi because kufanele sikwazi ukubambisana in order to make it. In fact ngeke ukwazi ukwenza into wedwa. You always need someone.
Sesivala mfowethu where to from here for pyramids?
I mean I'm going higher and I'm going far. If uNkulunkulu ngiphila impilo my aim right now is to take uNoma netalent lakhe to another level. I know nami I'm a singer but uNkulunkulu khona amlethe kuyona because he trusted me with her talent. So we can do whatever Prophet will do with this song, but all the Prophet will go back to invest Noma to be one of the greatest, because she's one of the greatest. Ukuthi abantu abagazi ukuthi she's the greatest. Why singanayo Beyonce wethu South Africa?
Wow.
Yeah? So khulwa yini ukuba no Beyonce wethu. Mina I want uNoma to perform in big stages, and kune tour yakhe engihlelayo ukuthi Noma with the orchestra. Touring around South Africa before I abroad.
Yes.
Because the talent la. You know, when she sings, angaboila la mans. We understand because she's the greatest. Udinga thina, udinga someone who will believe in the talent and make sure good it happen. Na ngelinye ilanga uyospota someone athi that guy I met wenza nje awuthi nami ngisize lo naloyo uyabona ukuthi sesakha i chain of success.
Yes.
Uyabo but masokuthi mina wanna win award. I don't care about awards. What I care about ukuthi kube nabantu abawu10 abathi isimo sasekhaya nje basishintshile ingoba ngahlangana no Bob Pyramid. I-award leyo mfethu.
Alikho elidlula le.
Ukuthatha lento le ngiyoyibeka endlini it won't help, but ukubona umuntu engimgrumile ekwazi ukuphilisa abanye abantu ngisho sengishonile mfethu ngoba idlozelile.
Guys kwethu bekuNoma Khumalo no Pyramids estudio besinabo besivakashela engakhohlwa ukuthi iphumile ingoma all digital platforms. Just go there and find that song Come Duze. Sivala kanjalo kolunye uhlelo lengqayizivela. This is Dewa Network. I am your host Usabel Mfwanda. Base sithi abake babonana bayophinde babonane. Danko.
Siyabonga.
I'm